We have been through so much. You know, see, so it is right for the next politician who have such aspiration and ambition. When him come in power, him just pass a law or legislation say, whenever a politician break the law or the rule, him supposed to serve twice the normal sentence where a normal man would have served. Granted, no politician wouldn't break the rule or be corrupt or take the bribe and all them dirty thing there. You know, see, that's so that's certain say, yeah, that.
Yo, check this out, this is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision, Warieka LTV, keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the bar for the youth, Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, sir. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, the Emperor Haile Selassie I and all things that's good and righteous amongst us. We want to welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and look where up great. I have to go look work fast. I'm joking, I'm working. I'm a small businessman. Anyway, yeah, we want to touch upon the economy of Jamaica. We want to touch upon a couple things. But we'll lead up to the... You know what? UIC. Where UIC are dealing. You know, see it? We notice this big energy generated and propelled towards this whole pandemic argument. Like that. Really and truly is the biggest problem in Jamaica. You know, see it? As a political aspiree, like where I move towards leadership and things like that. I just where I expect if you have more of a broader memorandum or a perspective what's needed and necessary in the country. Yeah, everybody we need the rights. Obviously. You know, see, but all of that right now, we need to factor in the whole thing, you know, see it as a objective for the future because it look hard for we have bigger problem. We have trouble with like poverty, miseducation, mismanagement, corruption and things like that for decades. And a politician now jump in now on a new bandwagon we just come up the other day where we know so well then I just basically ABC match up, you know, see like a loud shout and you get a catch on the bandwagon. You know, see it like we notice and observe with this system here we at play these days. It create the bad news, you know, it create the conspiracy theory them and push them out there. And when you come with them already have a rebuttal and the argument them if they defeat them, debate there, refute them, debate there and win. You know, see it. We observe that. Seeing and there's only by example. You know, see it, because like me say, I borrow things off of YouTube and shape on the platform, and I see him YouTube come sanction me say, me I spread misinformation. At YouTube, me get the information from, you know. Then it sanction me, say me I spread misinformation. You know, see it. So, them create the scenario, set you up for you use it so that them can dumb you down or even make you look stupid. You know, see it. Are the only tactics, debating tactics exist, yes, except that now them can plant the seed where they ridicule you by. You know, see? So, we have to watch all our leader when him come and I say, boy, I want to run the country. You know, see? Because I listen from all way back when an army can hear about liberty and freedom and speech and right to choose and all of them things. This is a bandwagon. It's like a campaign slogan, like a advertisement campaign slogan. Just a go on, just a run a go on with that. You know, see? Everybody a benefit. Everybbe a seek for grab where them can benefit out of this crisis. You know, see? Real estate and them advance on you know, capitalize on the facts are all for people in a bankruptcy and lose them home and affair. You know them and you know it's just a capital. You know, don't look and see UIC attack certain way and attack all about this and attack about that. I'm still not making myself clear to the point. You know, see, because when I'm an observe the whole thing, there is a whole heap of concerns needs answering, particularly when you're being interviewed by a popular investigative reporter who want to know what he is about. All me can hear is people need freedom of choice and things. Warm to the economy. When I used to $3.5 billion US dead in the reserve before all of this happened. Yet still all of this happened, no investment, no facility, nothing to make. What I do? Now use that money there, when a cheap piece of it now and then for doing overnight banking and a little investment and put it back. I don't understand what the money they do. It's like purposely maintain the society as it is. You know, the deprivation, the crime, the violence, the hopelessness, and all of them things there. You know, see, cause just like all the money that come about, I saw other money I build up and I come from wherever it come from, it I come in to you and you know, see, what the purpose of the money that we are using for to buy a rocket or build a nuclear weapon or something of some sort? When? What? The potential for growth is investment. It's basically investment. You have that big money that's long pan when you have ganja. Can invest in it as a national entity. So that's the economy can, you know, benefit from it. I mean, local people can benefit from it. See, you have the youth them. You have education where you can invest in it. You know, see, and you'll definitely see back a profit. See, we are what we are going with GPS. You know, see, we soon expose who are the true owner and investor, them board of director, them and them type of people there. You know, see, because we can't understand how GPS have like the 6th highest electricity bill in the world. You know, see, watch you now. Jamaica one of the sunniest places on the planet. I mean, it have longer sunshine than England, particularly where we live. You know, see, and when you check it out, England have more, we call it here, solar panel electricity than Jamaica. You know, see, and look how much money we have to pay yearly for suffice them bill. See, solar panel might be there or whatever. One, we can produce them at our yard. The copyright not depend them where one factory or one people can produce them. Anything you pay what supposed to do to them and give them and make our own thing them up a year. We make start up some factory, invest some of that $3.5 billion US there. In some, you just need one, you know, one little factory. I produce the disc them where we need, not disc, the panel them what we need for set up solar system. You know, see, ease up some of the burden for live off a society, off a common people, off a poor people. You know, see, we can save our money, chip back some minutes to people. And better than that, the windmill them, yeah. You know them solar, them windmill that we are spin on the hillside and things like them, they all across England and them way. One of them alone, yeah, can power 5,000 house. One of them alone can power 5,000 house, you know. So one of them they alone up on top of Warieka and look like it can power the whole Kingston, man. You know, see, put another one up there and it can power St. Andrew now. Oh, our government, nothing for buy 2 of them out of the $3.5 billion when them have down there in a reserve. And know so well then, we have put them in and save some electricity. And I like so we even have to buy them cash. You know, see it, we can trust them with the collateral we have and from the electricity where we save, we pay for it. You see, no, I look out for some guy. I wonder if some guy will buy. Like my brethren suggest, if some guy look like them will buy GPS and then now secretly set up them solar panel there, get free electricity and sell it back to the people at the price right there now. Because if it balance out at this rate and climb at this rate per inflation or according to inflation, anybody own GPS sit sweet for the rest of their life, for the foreseeable future, for generations to come. You know, see, why isn't Jamaica in charge of such a project? You know, see, we now look into them thing there, where the young dreamer them and the young politician they were sit down in a parliament behind some lazy boy when I dream, when I have no intention whatsoever to elevate or create any form of change for poor people. Yet them you they sit down there and take dictation from them Gaia. Uno not expose them Gaia and them dirty corruption so that Uno can fill the gap where them get kicked out when them get sentenced and sent down to prison. Oh, no ambition, so. Damian Crawford and all out. Damian Crawford, you sit down there and you watch Philip Palwell. Philip Palwell stopped the electricity from 2012. Him properly inflator, whatever theme house with sitting on a panel. Him no use electricity off of the national grid. You see, 12 years ago. You see it. Oh, him no consider so well then. Warieka right in a theme jurisdiction. Port Royal, the whole of gunboat, the whole of the best harbour in the Caribbean, they're right in a theme constituency. Oh, him no, I mean, you know about the whole process because you have it on your house. Philip Palwell look like you want to buy GPS for yourself and bring that and start use solar panel and sell the people them electricity at the same rate you went there. Jamaica no open no eye and pay attention to what go on. You see it? UIC president come and end up on this big charge and charm offensive and them a relevant issue when needs addressing. You see it? Substantially vote. I mean, draw, they may attract vote, they may attract people to you, and they may have a possibility. These are things that are obvious and evidential in a other society, poorer society as well. You see, oh, the president not come up with them arguments. How many of them talk about the 3 billion, when can do with it or when want to do it. All them talk about people deserve right for choose, both PMP, GLP and rate. It's like him just there scrape up the scrums off of the 2 table them will drop, which is the vote of them went up on the sideline. Because we can see from the last election says like, so well then, about quarter of the nation vote, registered vote, according to them. We know say a good or less. You see, but them pump up the number to make themselves look good and make like democracy in a progress. You see? So all of them people you know, UIC president there now as a savior, as a safe man or as a man where sit with the people them cause, we can relate to the people them cause, so them no want to wear no mask or them no want to take no foreign object in them body. We have these type of concerns long time. You know see, again nowadays it come up and it come up more prominent. You know see, we don't mind, we know say yeah, we have to deal with that. But the main thing we affect we are crime and violence. Poverty, lack of growth, no hopes. Yet we are here say, money, we have money in our reserve. We know we have money in our reserve. We can invest within our education and try with the people them. You know, see it, with the IT subject them, the way them little studies they there. What go on with the youth them are grown. You know, see it, information and technology around the world. You have a Silicon Valley in America. All of that was started from one man who had a dream and get the desired investment, the necessary investment them, and see, have the desired result today. You know, see, where our dream there, our prime minister them and them people are set up as a barrier, you know. Jamaican prime minister them set up as a barrier for all but the nation and the people them, so that them can explore them true reality or the reality in our earth and outline it, articulate it for other people. You know, see, because I saw we stay. When they say we see wrong and go on, we ball it out and make people know where it's wrong. You know, see it. You know, see it. Come like our politicians set up as a gatekeeper for them knowledge and them wisdom, them tenacity, the original Jamaican them as it is. You know, see it. Because them ball every day, so them need this. We see we in the midst of a crisis where more than anything we need protection from the crisis. We need protection from hungry. We need protection from the ailment itself. You know, see, when we look and say our Prime Minister go buy equipment for your army where we have. Because I doubt if we have so much personnel falling all of them armor personnel vehicle where him send go buy. You know, see, covertly. I know him not give a national like how much him buy, how much him spend or not like that. Them level of respect then are dead for way. You know see them just do what them want when them want by themselves. Make a decision upon them own and do what them want. You just send go buy a whole heap of army equipment. Who you plan for go fight against? Who did you consult? You know see it? The other day again, couple years ago, them knock back the NIDS and say them no want no needs in the country unconstitutional. Right now in a lockdown and everything, when everything slow down, the boy go pass the law recently in a House of Parliament behind everybody back. Me want know if you I see president not have no eye in a parliament and no ears in a parliament. If you know say this was the plan or this is the plan, them a pursue the whole thing, the agenda, if you pass it this week, next week, last week, whatever. And warn the public ahead of time so that we can have some objection whatsoever. Is after the fact. This party publish it like say see it there. Bro God now the man has him do what him want anyway. Listen, I hear that thing that you're part of the agenda. You just try sweep up the demoralized. To keep them for yourself so that you can maintain the status quo Rasta. You see, you have to talk about them things before Bro God can get to pass it in a law or pass it in a legislation or whatever. How dare you bring it to you after it gone like so well then? You know, you set up Bro God for be how just for have that for say, look how Bro God wicked. Eh? You sit back and watch the whole away. Lose a certain level of rights and dignity in the process. And then after that now you all say, you don't see how Bro God wicked and me for vote for. Why make you never campaign for stop Bro God from carrying out them things before him do it, Rasta? You never see him do it. Eh? What level of competence that you are prove to we this as a people? How competent could you don't see it? I could be wrong, you know, but at the end of the day, I mean, we have been through so much. You see, so it is right for the next politician who have such aspiration and ambition. When him come in power, him just pass a law or legislation say, whenever a politician break the law or the rule, him supposed to serve twice the normal sentence where a normal man would have served. Granted, no politician would break the rule or be corrupt or take no bribe and all them dirty thing there. You know, see, that's how would a certain say, yeah, that guy are the real guy where would know say, dedicated. If you have change and do better for Jamaica. You know, see, politicians don't do nothing for we with them that gratitude and that protection whereby no immunity from protection. Every time them come in there, them rape we and treat we like so well and we don't exist. See, at them now, for sure we say they mean something by setting up laws and regulation we regulate themselves. If we not get that from a guy as Jamaican Rasta, we can't have to look on a guy and pay him the mind when him come here with him big ambition thing long down so I come talk about we need back human rights and we you not lose no rights, Rasta. Rasta right now you are coming like a buster man again we are bust him shooting at the crowd and tell the soldier them, shoot me and leave my people as a white man. You know nobody now even look by you much as to shoot you. You see. Go on the take off that. You see. And we have to be vigilant and look out to people with them sweet words and them sweet talk and know them and deal it. You see, if you want power, make we negotiate something for something, Rasta. You know, come with no sweet mouth and you know, see it, we want to know what going with that $3.5 billion there. When I hear my people, you I see president we are talking on, him in control like but we need him for debate them thing, yeah. Make a presentation on I behalf and don't make it look like so well then you plan for going there and go do the same thing too with them resources secretly. You know, see, it is like a secret plan there, not to make the small man or the masses in the population see the benefit or these fruits of Jamaica's labor, meaning economic resource and things like that. You know, see, none of it now apply Rasta. I be a borrow a government go around the world and borrow a sort of money, thief it up, and jeopardize the same little kitty there. You see it? We need to know what go on and we want to know why an investment can't go on out of that, why you can't take out a couple millions and spend on information technology based in a little school. The other day we say I want to show magical potency regarding IT and them things they want to do in a prison. The girl, she could have lose her life like a killer that try to kill her. Bro, God, we know we want to try with her gun, you know. We know we want to try. You know, see it. We just hope that she still retain her skills, them. You know, see, because you're going to kill her, know, so the same water, them over there have friend where them want to hack them thing. So Ivan could have did over there and get more practice than we should have get on road. Because she do it over there unimpeded. Because what? Who for tackle her? I mean, she work for the law, she break the rule for the rule keeper them. You know, see? So that's the thing them. So UIC, no disrespect, but we not just roll over so and just expect. Not I. You know, see, and kind of pitying when I see my fellow Jamaican them just jump and sing to any Sankey. You have to remember the facts, Rasta. These masters set up them replacement so that them can continue be immune from the consequences of their actions, their corrupt ways and actions and things like that. You know, see it. So we have to look out for them people. Yes, Rasta. Yeah. Big up to the general when I see in a Wasa Town Centre today where make me out and give her a shout. See? And I give thanks, my brethren. Rastafari. Yeah. I could be vigilant and not take no more sweet talk from no guy. Until we know, say, we right now if Michael Manley come back, Rasta. Oh, Michael Manley set up some legislation where politicians have, if the normal man gets 6 months to tell a lie, a politician forget a year. You see, who the politician, what is the politician consequence for lying to a whole population as opposed to your consequence of lying to a politician? You know, see. You know, see. Observe the distortion. And I give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.